Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem Sainsbury gift cards. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Now, you need to choose the groceries account. And when you do that, you will be forwarded to this specific page wherein you are required to sign in with your email address. And if you are new here, just click on the register option. Now after that, all you have to do is provide your name, your account details, and you're good to go. Now let me tell you that Sainsbury's is a well-known supermarket chain in the UK, offering a wide range of groceries and household essentials. Now for example, you have a Sainsbury's gift card and you want to redeem or you want to send someone as a gift, alright? Now if you're sending that, all you have to do is you need to choose an amount first, like a 10, 30, 50, 100. I'm going to choose like a 50 for now. Of course, you can choose your gift card design, and I would suggest to use the Sainsbury's. Of course, you need to put in the information such as the from sender's name, which is you, and of course to your the recipient. After that, you need to provide the recipient's email address and confirm the email address. And you need to choose between you would like to send this e-gift card or you'd like to send that in a later date. Now, the thing is, you can also put some message here and you can preview your e-gift card. All right. After that, here's what it's look like. The recipient's name is going to be in here. You can click here for your e-gift card. All right. Now, if you're happy with that, all you're going to do is go to payment, but you need to put in as much as information as you can in this option. After that, after you have received your gift card now, you can simply hover to the Sainsbury shopping online and purchase an item. Now, let me see what we can see, get here, the nectar prices. Like, for example, I'm going to choose maybe this one for now. Spreadable blend of butter. I'm going to add on it. And of course, all I have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. This is very straightforward process because now, along the way on the checkout process, if you encounter something similar, all you're going to do is click the this option, your travel, using your Sainsbury's gift card on the shopping online website. All right, you can chat with a team member of any support team. After that, tell them you're having problems using or redeeming the Sainsbury's gift cards. But it's a straightforward process because all you have to do is put in the Sainsbury's gift card number during the checkout process and you would be able to shop online without any problems. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.